So this is our alternative English paper. We are going to learn Sonnet 65. First, let us see what is sonnet. A sonnet is known as a 14-line poem. It was originated in Italy by Petrarch, and later on it came to England, and then Shakespeare wrote sonnets which are known as Shakespearean sonnet. And Shakespearean sonnet is divided in four parts: first quatrain, second quatrain, third quatrain. Each quatrain has four lines, and the final couplet. Shakespeare wrote 154 sonnets. And then the sonnet we are going to study here, Sonnet 65, is written by William Shakespeare. Who is Shakespeare? Shakespeare was an English playwright, poet, and actor, widely regarded as the greatest writer in the English language and the world's greatest dramatist. He wrote 37 plays, 154 sonnets. He is known as the Bard of Avon. Now, let us discuss the poem Sonnet 65. So, he has written 154 sonnets, right, in numbers. And then, in all the sonnets are related almost. In contrast to Sonnet 64, the poet once again is reassured that his sonnets will provide the youth immortality, so that is why he is writing. His verse is the only thing that can withstand time's decay. He is saying that time can destroy everything, but the thing that I have written, that cannot be decayed, that cannot be destroyed by time. In the first quatrain, he says that neither brass nor stone nor earth nor the limitless ocean is strong enough to resist and sad force of mortality. Beauty too fades away with time. So nothing can resist in front of time. It is only the verse that can resist. Secondly, he has personified time as a person who can steal beauty. In the second quatrain, he says, beauty, which is as fragile and as the sweet breath of summer, hold out against the destructive assaults of time when neither invulnerable rocks nor gates of steel are strong enough to resist its decaying power. Then comes the third quatrain. Here he exclaims, where can I put your beauty? Time's most precious creation, to hide it from time itself. So time has created, again time is destroying. Whose hand is strong enough to slow time down? Who will forbid its destruction of your beauty? Then comes the final couplet. In the final couplet, returning to the power of poetry to bestow his eternal life, the poet asserts that in black ink my love may still shine bright. He believes that his love verse can preserve the youth's beauty. This is couplet, final couplet, not coupler. It is final couplet. Then meaning of Sonnet 65. What is the meaning of the poem? Sonnet 65 by Shakespeare presents the nature of things on earth as temporary and slaves to the destructive nature of time. Here the narrator, that is the poet, states that mortality holds power over all things, even those strong things like iron bars and gate. Secondly, it is possible to preserve beauty and memory in ink, only which the poet has done for his love. Okay, so I hope you have understood Sonnet 65. The poet has personified time, and he says that time creates things, and of course it is time who destroys. Nothing can resist in front of time. Even the gates, iron gates, steel, nothing can resist. As time passes on gradually, the power of those things also decays. But if you want to preserve something forever, then you must write it in ink. The poet has preserved the beauty of this beloved through his verse. So beauty is created by time. Time's best jewel, he said. But again, beauty is again destroyed by time itself. So to preserve it, it must be written somewhere. I hope you all have understood this. Thank you very much. Forget is that what is sonnet, we need to remember this, and the parts of Shakespearean sonnet and how many sonnets have Shakespeare written. So do remember this, and who is William Shakespeare. dear. Remember this, okay? Of course, the poem you have understood, I think, but the poet and the genre of the poem, we need to know that very well. Anyway, thank you very much.